Lawmakers and lawyers say it's a gap in Georgia's domestic violence law, but that gap could disappear with a signature from Governor Kemp. New tonight, the State House gave unanimous and final approval to House Bill 231.
Now, if the governor signs it into law, experts say it would save lives.
You know, it may seem simple and that everybody wants to support victims of dating violence. You have to make sure you get it right. And so I think that's what we've done with this legislation.
Georgia State Representative Houston Gaines of Athens authored House Bill 231.
A lot of advocates came to me and talked to me about the importance of this issue. And so we teamed up with other legislators, bipartisan group.
Under current Georgia law, a temporary protective order requires one of three things. Both the person filing the order and the person accused have to be either living in the same household, parents of the same child, or previously married. But the new bill would change that.
I do feel like it's a huge step forward because dating violence is a significant issue.
If signed into law, the new measure would include dating violence, which would make it possible for someone in a relationship to file a temporary protective order without meeting the current qualifications.
Georgia is catching up to what other states do to protect victims of domestic violence.
Vicki Kimbrell, a lawyer and expert on domestic violence, says this is a great step forward for survivors in our state. Over the last year, she says domestic violence calls have increased by 46%.
The pandemic has been a twin plague for our clients. They're stuck at home. They're not able to, a lot of times, get the housing that they need. Other victims have lost their job or have lost the ability to go out and earn their own living to be able to escape the violence.
Kimbrell says the pandemic has also meant fewer resources for victims.
We are advocating on behalf of our clients to keep them safe from the domestic violence, safe from the pandemic. And we're advocate also for the holistic resources they need, like health care and TANF and SNAP, all the resources they need to keep themselves financially independent from abusers.
The stark reality is this. Statistics show many domestic violence victims are killed before they can escape their abuser. And that's why Kimbrell says it's important to focus on teen dating violence.
The issue that brought teen dating violence to our attention anyway was a fatality report that shows how many victims of domestic violence meet their abuser from the time that they are 13 to 20 and then end up as fatalities.
While House Bill 231 does not apply to minors, State Representative Gaines says he hopes to tackle that during the next legislative session. For now, he says this bill will save lives.
There's no doubt that states that have proactively added dating violence have seen a decrease in intimate partner homicide. And so I think that this legislation literally is going to save lives.
We reached out to Governor Kemp for comment. His office tells us all bills passed by the legislature are now in the process of legal review. You can read more about House Bill 231 on our website, fox5atlanta.com.
Georgia's